If you're anything like me, you're pretty demanding of your planer. So today we're going to tune up and sharpen the knives on my DeWalt DW734. To get to the knife, you'll first have to take out the dust collection shroud in the back. Then you'll want to take out the blade guard. That's just done by taking out the 2 hex bolts. And then it's just a matter of taking out the knives. This machine comes with 3 reversible knives, which we'll want to sharpen on both sides. At this point, it's a good time to scrape off anything you find that's stuck onto the surfaces of the planer. And then I like to give the rollers a quick clean using mineral spirits. The awkward thing is you have to start the planer every now and then to make the rollers rotate, as they're stuck when the power is turned off. And then we'll scrape off the knives as well. And now onto the sharpening process. I'm using a combination whetstone, 1000 and 4000 grit that I've let soak for about 5 minutes. And then the first step in the process is to make sure the stones are nice and flat. For that, I use a diamond stone that I use diagonally. That way I can make sure that the entire surface is flat. Then I'll do a quick pass on the back of the knives to make sure they're nice and clean. And now to sharpen the bevel. What I do is kind of rock the knife up and down until I find the bevel, and then it's just a matter of sharpening back and forth. I do the first half in the front, second half at the back, and then just try to connect the two by making long passes the whole length of the knife. And then do the other side of the knife and then move on. And try not to sharpen your finger into bleeding like I just did. DeWalt actually recommends that the knives are replaced when they get dull, because what you'll find is that the pin, when you realign the knives, is a fixed point, and if you sharpen away, there will be a point where the knife won't actually get to cut past the rollers. But I've been getting some pretty good results just sharpening the knives up to 4000 grit. When reinstalling the knives, I like to run the triangle with the G through it, the same direction for all the knives. And then I just spray on a little bit of blade coat to protect the knives. This stuff reduces friction and also pitch buildup. And thanks for watching. Now get back to work.